Sick! How's it going? My name's Glavocih. This is my bike check. I'm running Shadow bars, 9.5 rise, 30 wide, Colony top loader, alienation front rim laced to profile mini in front, back profile mini laced to alienation 440.
Kill a dream when I wake up, I have a show in the Philippines. And if you didn't know, well it's original. I sent my message, it could never be subliminal. My vision is maximum.
I've got Odyssey clear pedals, glow in the dark, cool when you want to put the bike away. Phantom, low cut, really low, nice and light.
Fucking shit!
Fuck off!
Really like a penis!
We've got Odyssey brake calipers with cool stop pads. Odyssey lever. We've got Snafu gyro. We've got Snafu cables. Shitty top 2-to-1 cables. This little black here that we got. And we've got a cool chain and shit sprocket. We've got with the pivot cranks, a bit worn out, they did the job. We've got a King bike seat, took off someone, gave to me as well. That's my bike check.
To do my thing, she say what you call that. She say I'm a effing trick, I say I ain't fall yet. Dealing with some lost souls, don't know where to go. Yeah, got the crowd tripping and slipping because my flow. Where I know them suckers see us, they really wanna be us. Talking about us over lunch and they jellies and pizza.